kecholide ili kubotuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingiya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eri bwenyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibyasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angane bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Muvaso bwe 30 mutinyo gatano na gatatu mwaka bw'ekiri bubere 2025 wairire buya mwancho muri bwegetaseni kya Getembe TV ekene Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera ereyo wengenche ngatirana nyaboga veri nyaboga korasomo na bimanyiriro makusinera kwani kabina chibichana mariogi ngo ikirachira asenchera ereyo wekranu karanso ke abena into weka omwerio na togo chaka ekero ekaunti ya Kisii ere ya Masech county chiria chabeire bosio asogo koli abana bake emerimi merito gose egurubo entindi maminchaneri chiko uko sabuani go kwarure asaba iboline Chinsa Montenenera wasokya na kuruania omochando oyo korengana no mo deputy county commissioner Okenyenya William Bet nigo chikamati ao charosiwe erikora esegiye yemurumo asaba na bake bataraika emiaka 15
mtoto kufanya kazi ambaye hailingani na umri wake, na hapa kaunti yetu Kisii ndio mojawapo ya ile makaunti imeonekana iko na kutumia watoto kufanya kazi ambaye haifai. Kisii ni moja, Nakuru nyingine, Kericho, Nyeri, Meru na Nakuru. So tuliitwa kwa training ya kumaliza kazi ya watoto. Kaunti hizo 5 ndio wale naibu county commissioner wote waliitwa. Ndio hizo 5 tukapelekwa Naivasha kwa seminar, tukafunzwa, ndio tukaambiwa sasa tukirudi tuunde kamati ya kuangalia maneno ya child labor katika eneo kwanza ya majani chai, ya kahawa, pia tumeambiwa hapa sekta ya avocado, sekta ya miwa ambayo inafanyika katika our neighboring county ya sukari. Pia tumeambiwa kwa hii sekta ya matofali, watoto pia wanafanya kazi hapo. Pia sekta ya ndizi hapa, kwa sababu ndizi ni mingi area hii, tunaambiwa watoto pia wanatumika kufanya kazi hapo. Hapa kweli katika masoko zetu watoto pia wanatumika. Sasa tunaambiwa pengine kuchota maji ama kutafuta kuni, ama hata wengine pia wanakuja kuuza vitu kwa soko. Hiyo ndio tumepata habari. Na pia tumeambiwa kuwa kuna mabasi fulani ambayo wameajiri watoto ambao hawajafikisha umri. Hiyo ndio sheria imekataa, na tumesema sasa tumetoa wito kwa wale wanahusika kufanya hiyo kazi wasimamishe na wakome haraka.
Mawaziri omukoro bw'oburendi bw'ime Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i nigo agenderere kumocha serikali. Matiang'i nigo aborete abagusi bonse gwesokia na kubwata chikura ase obonge ere bachikumubwatisia ase eganga yayo kuriga ekero kyoborai bwense ase abachaire were bosi obo mwaka 2027. Matiang'i nigo ainekerete abagusi hochia kobarusi obosoko.
Ya abantu aba egazi abasinyire ozobona akimono chini egazi abasinyire neinde intu na nyaza tutongita abagusi injenda yale nikuruzie start to yechake naende morore bune serikali eko ba manage tiboronge ebintu egento getasa leke no nyene ekemo ekabutware ngemirimo tutware kwere chibese skuru bokaya yo boza kora chibese cha abantu mbware ngororo wono egazi yo na utungaina waka komunuga oncha onjokana ma kulikia abantu baje balikia abantu ande botuka baba ira uchialia inwe muno mosene tateba mokobera na barabu to wese kwera singi 200 kuwese bali basa kwere chibese cheito baba ichiri bukobi kero mundu onyamba bwa chiri bukomi mwagena none chinyomba chiabo mwabate chibese kaichire che serikali mwa Ibere basi motiginyo yo ikabwe chikura nyasaye kala tokonye to batebinga goodbye momanya to batebinga wono rabu ninze ko babane chichi to boro kere negasi yokorwa osobona tali boyko abantu baminto ndalere kendo yogarari ko basabana ekemo muna mwana lyo minta kwa na senator toja ko register chikura kero muntu to gende to bwate kura igendo kera tokonye ni chikura osebona tali boygo to bwate chikura kabona nchaba ngina baminto kero muntu to bwate chikura abantu to ko bake nkundilie ko kwe nkundi abokiriru enkundi abokiriru ne card igo to ko bwate chikari to kirega to kwana gendo kende abacha ga igato bakwari ngambu ya murembu ya mono ba tebi binde bya tebi mbu ya mono ndundo basabere nyaza ko babere araf tuto yeri tukeligo eka to gende tebe to beke chikura chonzi kerase basiri ni mami to boke mjebono mumbo lia maswali nga igazi to akobeke bakolire kaiya ikire momanye ko roza bana baitomba to ara ngo esa bantu batobwa capitation school bakosa kora chibese kincheka bire maiso morale ebinte biacha goika abantu baminto tokoro mutia bona nyasala tubwatie elinde ense neke gutwa tuno manne nyasaye abantu baito bagwe korere gazi numukia bagusimba li basangami bono ntayale tole kogendera okore gazi ntigamba tebi enkwara ya neo moelio I will not let you down tingo babeka inse ingongo tara kerase yeah I will not let you down Goto tara una Patrick abatebi antwali ngemeru wiki eria
Togo skawosio mo governor we county ya Kericho Dr. Erkimtani go anyore to mweso ase gekwera ase arenekyo akogokera magiga yokobyoka korwa sogwa kwa isiko ya bisiaje ase ntunda ya kabiri bunge ya senate ekora wano monogeriowo omoske Amason Deva Kingi nigo yategerera ekine kya mutai amatukata to korendo botukobo kererero ange Chinsa Isano abaseneta nigo bakachikura asaba seneta 15 no yomogose 16 bakachikura cyoko mwaka isiko ya bisi nabo yigo ase abaseneta 25 no yomogose 26 bakachikura cyogo tigara abisi.
Considering the evidence adduced before the Senate by the parties on the issue and further considering the report of the County Assembly of Kericho Chamber electronic voting system submitted by ICT experts on the invitation of the Senate, now therefore, the Senate resolves that the threshold required for removal of a governor from office by impeachment contemplated in Section 33 of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 74 of the County Assembly of Kericho was met. Now, honorable senators, before we vote, kindly pull out the cards from your delegates unit. And Sergeant at Arms, move around the chamber, collect any unattended card that is still in the delegate unit. Now, honorable senators, the result of the vote on the division is as follows. Ayes 16, nays 26, abstention 1. So the nays have it. Now, honorable senators, as I had earlier indicated, in the event that the Senate finds that the two-thirds threshold of 32 members of the County Assembly was not met, then the impeachment proceedings shall immediately terminate, and the Senate shall now proceed to determine the impeachment charges. The result of the division indicates that the motion has been negatived. Consequently, the impeachment hearing hereby terminates. Honorable senators, rise.
Moseneta Okericho omoske Aaron Cheriot nigo aorokirie okogechwa kwaye na boyo no ogotaisanika kwaye igoro nyinyi ngana yogwa kwa iskuko mo governor Okericho Dr. Eric Mutai okwana bose bwa Senate Cheriot nigo aorogetia okogechwa kwaye igoro yoko na chagua Senate na kwene keria abantu be county ya Kericho ochia konyora obwene bwabo asensemende nigo atebetebuna bali aba kubwatire ni wano bokrumi ase county yo andetayo baratame gochose andetayo barache kwebisa nigo barache kuligiwa.
Pass my appreciation to this house because as of Wednesday morning when this trial began, Mr. Speaker, there were doubts in the minds of many people in Kericho that this impeachment hearing was going to go the way of the previous impeachment hearing, Mr. Speaker, where the county assembly was sent back with a bundle of documents without listening to what are the issues that the people of Kericho are facing. For that, I must register my appreciation, colleagues. The people of Kericho can know what exactly the Senate of the Republic of Kenya thinks on all the issues that the county assembly has brought before you. Do you want to tell me, leaders, that you are surely going home convinced that the county assembly has not been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that there is systemic corruption in the county government of Kericho? Mr. Speaker, unfortunately, or fortunately, we may never get to that particular point if this motion doesn't carry the favor of members. But I want to tell the people of Kericho, speaking from this house, that justice you will get by any means necessary. It can be from this house, Mr. Speaker, or, Mr. Speaker, through other agencies constitutionally charged, Mr. Speaker, to ensure, Mr. Speaker, that when public funds are pilfered and looted, Mr. Speaker, they are recovered. There are companies that have been named here. There are individual directors, Mr. Speaker, that own those companies. They are directors of those institutions, Mr. Speaker, in the public institution that is the county government of Kericho, who engage in those exercises, Mr. Speaker. We want to tell you that by bad luck, if you escape the Senate today, you will not escape the next trap that the people of Kericho have laid for you. I thank you and rest my case.
Wakonye bo maraiwense Profesa Abraham Kithire Kindikinigo akwanere engana y'okubora kw'emirimo ase abasai okwana kuri kaunti ya Kirinyaga ase gikaro n'abarai abasubati usabasubati abo barabarai kuro mashinani Kindikinigo amochirie banasiasa abo batabuna mirimo teyo korendeti baligo konya abasai abo asasemende omokonyo yunigo akwanere tumurobere bobo bwenesha asatebete omubaro omungi bwa bakenya nigo oerikiri aso omurobere yo nakoboria abakenya bagendere kwerikia.
Wanasiasa wengi wanaongea mambo ya ajira, wanasema hakuna nafasi za kazi kwa vijana, na ni kweli. Nchi yetu kwa miaka mingi imepata vijana wengi na wanaenda wakiongezeka ambao hana kazi, lakini wale ambao wanaongea haya mambo hawatoi suluhu, hawasemi hii ndio njia ya kuongeza nafasi za kazi kwa vijana wetu. They have no solution. They are just complaining, just like the rest of the citizens. Na ndio tumesema tuko na mambo matatu manne ya kujaribu kuongeza nafasi za kazi kwa vijana wetu na kupunguza idadi ya vijana wetu ambao wanarandaranda huko nje bila matumaini. Wengine wamesoma lakini hawana kazi. Zaidi ya nusu ya Wakenya wako wamejiandikisha. Tuko na Wakenya milioni 25.8, 25.8 million Kenyans already registered with SHA. Tunataka ifike 30 million, 35 million, 45 million, na furaha yetu ni ile siku idadi ya Wakenya ambao watakuwa na medical card ya kuwasaidia kulipa bili ya afya itafika 55 million. Ili kila Mkenya, the 55 million of us, awe na kadi ya matibabu. And I want to applaud the people of Kenya for registering. Lakini kama haujajiandikisha, sasa ukienda kutafuta dawa ya outpatient utalipa kwa sababu haujajiandikisha. So lazima kwanza ujiandikishe. Ukijiandikisha outpatient hakuna malipo. Ya pili, hata admission, tumesema ile charges mtu alipe kulingana na uwezo wake. Hatuwezi kulipa sawa sisi zote vile NHIF ilikuwa inasema.
Wanchia murigereria na rayo koro Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yobwenge korenda yamona yandi ne Chinsa ikumi chengro wa Catherine Nybonga ven Nyaboka koraso muno abo imanyirio twaro buli borobia.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asa mange bakere simbwetra seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores. The people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone